The color of fire, love, revolution. Look at this. It demands attention. It refuses to be ignored.
And yes, blue has been here all along. The sky, the ocean, infinite, patient, not demanding, inviting.
Inviting, blue is background, wallpaper, waiting room energy.
Or sanctuary, breath, the color of finally being safe.
Oh, this debate is going to get personal and psychological. Welcome back. Hello, beautiful humans. Welcome to Listen and Learn English Easy, where mistakes are just different shades, and every I don't know is a color waiting to be named. I'm Sarah, your host, red enthusiast, and person whose wardrobe looks like a stop sign collection. Red coats, red boots, red laptop case. I announce myself when I enter rooms, intentionally.
Hi, I'm Noah. I am blue. Not sad, though people assume, just serene, steady. Growing up, teachers called me too quiet, fade into background. They wanted me to be more red, more loud, more noticeable. But blue notices others. Blue holds space. When my sister cried, she didn't want red energy. She wanted blue presence, just being there, soft, true.
Oh, Noah. I performed Being There for my friend's crisis. Brought red balloons, loud music, distraction. She smiled, then cried harder when I left. I gave her noise when she needed silence.
Because red fixes, blue feels. Both love, just different languages.
I want to learn blue, fluently.
I can teach you, gently.
Absolutely. Let the color clash begin. But before we debate, I need to ask you something real. Are you watching this wearing your color? Or hiding it? Were you shamed for being too loud, too quiet, too much, too little? Colors are identity, and identity gets policed. We're going to reclaim yours.
So smash that like button. Help other colorful souls find their tribe.
Subscribe to Listen and Learn English Easy. We're building a rainbow where every shade belongs. When we hit 70,000, we're doing a color swap. I'll wear all blue for a week, and Noah tries red.
Red? Attention? Strangers noticing me? For empathy.
And I'll try invisibility. Blending. Observing. The horror. Most importantly, comment. Tell us, what color is yours? Not favorite, yours. Were you shamed for your color energy? What color do you need more of in your life?
Last week, someone said yellow was their joy, but they hid it for professionalism. I mourn that. Wear your yellow here.
Our comment section is gallery. No too much, no too little. Only, this is me and you're beautiful. Join us. Okay, Noah, red enters before I do. People feel me coming. I change the temperature of rooms. I inspire, motivate, wake people up.
But Sarah, do people rest around you? Do they confess? Do they lower their guards? My blue, people forget I'm there. Then they say things, real things, to themselves, to me, because I'm safe, non-judgmental, present. My friend, red person, collapsed in my blue living room, said, "Here, I don't have to perform." Red ignites, blue contains, both necessary, but containment is undervalued.
I exhaust people, myself included. I ignite, then burn out, alone. Because I never learned to contain, to just be.
Because containment was weakness in your world? Red girls don't rest?
Red girls are fire, and fire doesn't pause. I'm tired of burning.
Can I tell you something shameful?
Please, this is safe.
My father, red person, salesman, charismatic, he worried. Noah, you'll never lead, never win. You're wallpaper. At family dinners, he'd interrupt me. Speak up, be confident. I tried red, forced it, loud jokes, interrupting others. Felt sick for days, like wearing wrong skin. Then my nephew, autistic, nonverbal, hugged me. Only me at family reunion. Because I didn't demand, I waited. Blue patience. My wallpaper was sanctuary for someone who needed quiet to feel safe.
Noah, your father is wrong. You lead by inviting. You win by welcoming. Different victory, deeper impact. And me? My mother, blue, gentle artist. She worried too. Sarah, you're too much. You'll scare people. Tone it down. I tried blue, muted myself. Beige, gray, felt dead, disappeared. Then my students, I teach English, said, "Miss, your energy makes us brave. We try because you try so big." My red gives permission to exist loudly.
So we both tried wrong colors. You died in blue, I sickened in red. Both tried to honor parents. Both found self in returning.
Yes, our true colors, cliché but true, heal others when we stop apologizing for them.
Can I teach you something? Color words hide judgment.
Yes, show me.
Red-blooded, passionate, alive, American, positive. But blue-blooded, elite, cold, distant, negative. And feeling blue, sad. My color is pathology. In German, Blau machen, to make blue, means skip work, take break, positive, restful. In Japan, ao, blue/green, growth, youth, freshness, life, not sadness.
We medicalized blue in English. Made it illness.
And red-handed, caught, guilty. You're red, crime, danger. In China, red, luck, wedding, prosperity, celebration. In South Africa, red, mourning, grief, sacred.
Noah, you're teaching color anthropology, cultural relativity. Did you see that? From I like blue to deconstructing chromatic imperialism.
I didn't know I was a scholar in English. I thought I was just defending my sweater.
That's the scholarship. Noticing how language limits what we see and feel. What if we need both colors, both people?
Both?
Red to start the fire, blue to tend it. Red to protest, blue to heal. Red to call out, blue to hold space. Purple, red plus blue, wisdom, royalty, both/and.
Like sunset? Red, passion, day, doing. Blue, peace, night, being. Together, transition, beauty, permission to change.
Yes! Noah, you're a chromatic poet.
And you're convertible. Admit it. You'll try one blue day.
1. Soft voice, listening more than speaking, containing.
I'll hold your blue debut, proudly.
Let's capture Noah's emotional color vocabulary. Containment, holding space, not fixing, his gift. Blau machen, German, making blue, taking break, cultural recovery. Chromatics, color as identity and culture, our framework. Purple wisdom, integration of passion and peace, our goal.
And wallpaper, reclaim from insult to sanctuary. My favorite lesson.
Perfect. Challenge, comment with your color and what it means in your culture. Not English, your meaning. Now I want something real from you.
In the comments, tell us, what color were you shamed for being?
Too loud? Too quiet? Too bright? Too dull? What color heals you? What color scares you? And why?
I was wallpaper. Now I'm sanctuary. Your color is necessary. Someone needs exactly your shade.
And if you're wearing wrong color right now, comment that. We'll see your true one. Validate it. Cheer it. You're not alone.
Subscribe. At 70,000, Color Swap Live. Me in red, Sarah in blue. The identity crisis.
The vulnerability. But for empathy, for purple. Noah, you came in defending blue. And you taught me that containment is courage. How do you feel now?
I feel I feel spectrum. Not just blue. Capable of red when needed. Purple potential. And I said it in English.
You owned this language. You owned your color and permission to borrow others. Whether you're fire or water, loud or soft, red or blue or every shade between, you are perfect. Keep speaking your chromatic truth.
Like this video if color confuses your identity. Subscribe to Listen and Learn English Easy for more permission to be your shade. Comment your color story. We read every one.
Next week, colors we lost. Noah shares grief and the color that returned, unexpectedly.
After my mother died, I hated yellow, her favorite. Then daffodils bloomed, her daffodils, and I understood. Color is love that outlives loss.
I think I need to hear that. In blue, patience. In red, passion. Both.
We'll mix them, gently. Purple.
I'm ready. This is Sarah, signing off with a heart full of red passion and blue peace.
And this is Noah, proudly blue, proudly spectrum.
Keep learning easy. See you next week.